I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Hustle as a trigger. Choose a form. Next, search and select the action Sure members. Connect to Sure members. Sure members connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here is the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the Sure Members Access group. Thanks for watching.